We're at the job site today and my son and I are about to do something great together. We will be putting up a custom wood bar over the island, and it's really just for the exhaust for the stove. It's for over the sink. It's going to give a great look. We're going to use a great product to help us bond it. First thing we have to do is make sure we plan it right. Did you do that?
Of course, that means having the right materials and safety equipment for the job.
And speaking of materials, we're going to be using SikaBond Construction Adhesive today to help us bond our beam in place. Are you ready to do this?
Let's get started.
We'll bond.
Bond.
Okay. SikaBond has 5 times the holding power than other construction glues. It is also permanently flexible, which is important because it allows for contraction and expansion that comes with seasonal changes and humidity.
And it's not going to crack due to temperature or humidity change. The great thing about SikaBond is that it's not going to stain decorative materials like our beam here, and I can paint over it.
I like that.
We use construction glue on site a lot. We use it to attach wood to wood, to mount tile, glass, metals, etc. SikaBond doesn't just stick to surfaces, it actually bonds to surfaces, and it can be used indoors and outdoors.
SikaBond has a fast cure rate. You know, this means you'll get the job done quicker and I'm gonna have to get you to my place to do some work.
That sounds like a job for Sherry.
Really?
Yeah.